Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to turn off volume notifications on iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, you just need to watch this video and I will teach you the full tutorial in order to turn off your volume notifications. So in order to do that, what we need to do is to head over to the settings of our iPhone. So let's head over there. And once we're in there, what we need to do is to just scroll down until we can reach this button called Sounds and Haptics. You need to click that and it will redirect you to this page. What you need to do next is under the ringer alerts, you can see this small sort of a range of volume right here. You can select and do it like that and it will adjust the volume. Alternatively, you can also click this change with button. So let's try to open that. And as you can see in here, the volume, the ringer and alerts can be adjusted using the volume buttons. So earlier, the ringer and alerts is only like there. But if we want to change that, we need to turn this up to the highest level in order to change it. Also, if you found that this is not on the ringer alerts, if you want to turn up your volume on other like social media apps or when you're watching a video or you're not specifically doing anything, what you can do is to just click this volume up or volume down button on the side of your iPhone and you can adjust your volume from there. And as you can see, it adjusted the ringer and that's it. What you can do is it will basically allow you to turn up your volume from there. The next thing that you can do is to head over to your settings and under here under the sound and vibration patterns, you can also change your patterns right here. You can change the ringtone, the text tone, the voicemail, the calendar alerts, reminder alerts, also airdrop, and all of the sound haptics that can be found on your iPhone. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.